Hello everyone, welcome back to chalchanger, and in today's video we're going to cover how to install the official Raspberry Pi OS onto a blank micro SD card. Let's go over the materials. You're going to need a blank micro SD card which doesn't have to be formatted, a Windows, Mac or Ubuntu device, and a micro SD to SD or a micro SD to USB adapter. If your device has an SD card reader, you should use a micro SD to SD card adapter like the one right here. And if your computer does not have one, I would suggest using a micro SD to USB adapter like the one right here, which can connect to a USB port. So the first thing you need to do is to download the Raspberry Pi Imager application on your device. Go to the link on the screen right now, and it's also in the description so you can click on it there. Once you've loaded that link, scroll down until you see the download button for your operating system. Click it. Once the installation file has downloaded, open it. If prompted, click Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. Select the language you prefer to use. Click Next and accept the agreement. Then choose the destination location. I would just recommend selecting the default folder and clicking Next. Choose if you want to create a desktop shortcut. Now the Raspberry Pi Imager has been downloaded to your device. Make sure Launch Raspberry Pi Imager is checked and click Finish. If you are using a micro SD to SD card adapter, slide the micro SD card into the adapter and slide the adapter into your device's SD card reader. If you are using a micro SD to USB adapter, slide the micro SD card into the adapter and plug the adapter into an open USB port on your device. Next, go back to Raspberry Pi Imager, click Choose Device, and pick the device for which you want to install the Raspberry Pi OS. Click Choose OS, and I would recommend choosing the recommended listed option. And finally, click Choose Storage and click on the SD card. Then click Next and click No and click Yes. From here, you might have to wait for about 30 minutes to an hour. Finally, disconnect the micro SD card from your device. You can learn how to set up your Raspberry Pi in the video on the screen now. If this video helped you, please like this video, and if you like content like this, please subscribe to my channel. But I'll see you in the next video.